So good afternoon, sir. This is our app, Lecturite. It is made by me, Priyanka, Manan Patel, and Om Patel. It is your ultimate gym companion for diet and workout training. So our motivation to build this app is to make people exercise in a fun and track their workouts and diets in our journaling feature. The the best, this is the best value app for everybody and anybody who wants to who enjoys exercise and journaling at the same time. So these are the screen mockups which we presented to you when we were about to make the app. So these are all the mockups. So we have created almost all the screens inside of it which we have had to make. And the things which we have omitted because of the time complexity is the calendar view. Sorry, I mean the habit tracker, which requires calendar view and would have like created bugs for us because of the storages and notifications, which we thought that was very irrelevant because we don't have anything notification related inside of our application. The user flow in Exchange screen is right in front of you. The database management system for database management system we have used SQLite, and with the Xcode. So this is our screen chart, and it is showing us where we will how many screens we have overall inside of our app. So this is our so in our application we have so in so this is the splash screen of our application, and we'll if we tap on this button, we'll be on the login page. We have made the UI using Adobe Illustrator, which was made by me, and we can like add existing email ID and password inside of it if we want, or we can create a new account. Also, we can forget password if we have our email. So I would write my username as Akshat. My email would be akshat@gmail.com, and our password would be akshat@347. Yeah, we'll click on let's get started. This is home page. We have a convenient setting over here which can take us to exercises, diet, and journal. We can also click on the bottom navigation icon for the exercise, for diet, and for journals, and for profile. So our exercise, or if you want to go from here, our exercise screen looks like this. These have some exercise which I did yesterday, and this screen has some exercise which we have like in this which are some are predefined, some are made by me, and we can also search exercises. Like we want to search cycling, we can find cycling over here. And when I want to add any exercises such as power sprinting, we did it for 5 minutes. So we can have over there. And if we want, we can add kickboxing inside of our set of exercises which we want to do. We have kickboxing over here now. And in arms, we have same predefining exercises. So for example, we want to do bicep curls now. We can add bicep curls in our list of workouts, and we can have it over here, where in like over here, bicep curls. We can also add inside of our arms exercise. We can also search in search the exercise which you want to search. For example, we want to do a tricep exercises. We have tricep exercise over here. In diet section, we can pick a diet, whichever you want. We can go on non-veg and see we have like a lot of dishes there with their calories. We have grilled chicken over here, chicken wings, beef steak, everything which we want. For example, we want roasted turkey, so we can have roasted turkey over here. Yeah, and we have three menus for for the diet. We have vegetarian diet. We have drinks, and in general, we can like see we have a few uh, we have a few like journals already made. We can go over here on journal and we can make our own journal. For example, I did back day today, and we can write date of 2024 04 09. So it's today's date, and we can write the workout we did today. We did deadlift, dumbbell rowing, and we also did lat pull down. So this was my today's back day, and we can now go in profile to edit our profile. So now I don't want to edit anything inside of this information, and we can also log out if we want. So this was it for the app. And now we can go to our finally move to our code. So in code we have created like a database manager which will help us to make uh, to like manage data easily, data and SQLite tables. So we have this authentication table right now. We can insert user by making user into this by using the insert query over here in this for SQLite. If the user is already created, then we can pass an error, and yeah, we can use this if a user want to create himself get user by email and password. We can login, basically login. We can do it by here and get user by ID. Everything like it's very similar. We also have the similar thing for this also, journals also over here. This is the sub database. It is similar to this our database helper. It just have a lot of exercise subcategories and all. For example, we have cardios and etc. inside of our exercise segment, right? So it is like managing all those things. So authentication, we have sign up page for which is not that hard like to get. We can have this in the email regex. This is where we are like uh, uh, managing the casing, and we have every other thing inside of it which is required to sign in the user up. This is the forget password page. This is the login page we have made. In the home button, we have the tab controller, which is nothing but basically it is controlling the whole thing. And we have the home BC, home model, which have the exercise data in general tab inside of it. We have the exercise model, yeah, in which we have predefining exercises. We have the exercise view controller. So everything in this is just doing what it should do. We have the table view, we have like the things which were displaying inside of it. Table view, we have the button view, everything. Sub exercises in which we are creating the exercises, and finally it also has the search feature inside of it implemented, and workout feature, which is like adding workout and connecting with the database manager for all the data, for like all for sub data manager for the data and queries. Then we have the diet moment and the diet view controller, which is similar to our the this exercise view controller. In journal, we have journaling model where we have ID, title, and description for the this what is this called? Uh, for our title of the journal description and description ID of the journal which is like not visible to the user. This is the view controller, which is like controlling the view whatever we have inside of the journals. It should be functional, and we are adding this um, descriptions from this. We can this the journal view controller is helping us to like connect with. It is again connecting with the sub database and database for sorry, it is connecting with the database manager now. So edit profile, it is the same. We are like updating our name and email inside of this, and we can sign out from this settings settings view controller. Yeah, we have this custom cells which we have made for our exercise table journal call cell, which you will see. It is generated like basically it for this presentation. Thank you, sir, for like seeing our final presentation till now, and thank you for giving us the opportunity to present a wonderful app inside to you. And yeah, that's pretty much I wanted to say. Thank you.